લાસ્ટ લેક્ચર્સ માં આપણે પાર્શિયલ ફ્રેક્શન ની અલગ અલગ ત્રણ ટાઈપ કરી હતી. આજે ઈચ ટાઈપ નો વધારે સમજશું. 15 question integration of 1 upon x raised to 4 minus 1 dx. Okay, so first we can factorize this. So we can write integration of 1 upon x square minus 1 x square plus 1 1 upon x square minus 1 into x square plus 1. Further we can factorize x square minus 1. So we can write integration of 1 upon x square minus 1 is x minus 1 into x plus 1 into x square plus 1 dx. Okay, so now we have three brackets. One is x minus 1, second one is x plus 1, and third one is x square plus 1. In these two brackets we can use first type, and in this we have to use third type, that is a quadratic equation. So now we will assume that let 1 upon x minus 1 x plus 1 into x square plus 1 is equal to a upon x minus 1 plus b upon x plus 1 plus c upon x square plus 1. Here x square plus 1, so we have to assume it is cx plus d. Okay, type 3 cx plus d. Again simple bracket છે x minus 1 x plus 1, so we have assumed that a upon x minus 1 plus b upon x plus 1. Here it is a quadratic equation x square plus 1, so we have to assume cx plus d upon x square plus 1. Now take LCM on right hand side, so you will get 1 upon x minus 1 x plus 1 x square plus 1 is equals to a into x square plus 1 into x plus 1 plus b into x minus 1 into x square plus 1 and cx plus d into x minus 1 into x plus 1. So x square में ऊपर x square minus 1 whole divided by x minus 1 x plus 1 x square plus 1. Okay, so denominator x minus 1 x plus 1 x square plus 1 cancel, so you get your simplification like this: a into x square plus 1 into x plus 1 plus b into x minus 1 into x square plus 1 plus cx plus d into x square minus 1. Now you need to find out the values of a, b, c and d. For that we have to assume different values of x. So first we will assume x is equals to 1, or x is equal to 1. So when you substitute x is equals to 1 on left hand side, you have constant 1. Okay, so you have to put the value of x on right hand side only. So 1 is equals to a into a into 1 plus 1, 1 square is 1, 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. Now if you substitute 1 here, that is 1 minus 1 0, 0 into anything is 0. Same here, 1 square minus 1, that is 0. So b, c and d, terms of b, c and d are cancelled, so you get the value of a. So we can write 1 is equals to 2 into 2, 4. So 4a, so you get the value of a is equals to 1 by 4. Okay, now second we will assume x is equal to minus 1. For x is equal to minus 1. Now if you put x is equals to minus 1 on left hand side, it is a constant, so you have to write 1 only. If you put minus 1 here, minus 1 plus 1 0, so this whole term becomes 0. Here if you put minus 1, then you get b into minus 1 minus 1. Okay, minus 1 square is plus 1, so 1 plus 1. Here it is minus 1 minus 1, and here it is 1 square plus 1, so 1 plus 1. If you put minus 1 here, minus 1 whole square is plus 1, so 1 minus 1 0, again this term is also 0. So from here you will get the value of b, so minus 2 into 2, so minus 4b. So value of b is equals to minus 1 by 4. Now if you assume x is equals to 0, x is equals to 0, and put the value of a and b, and put the value of a and b, so you get the value of d. So next we put 4x is equals to 0. So on left hand side Again it is 1 only because it is a constant. Here value of a is 1 by 4. Value of a is 1 by 4. Here 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, so it is 1. Minus value of b is minus 1 by 4. 0 minus 1 minus 1. 0 plus 1 plus 1. C into 0, so it is 0. So plus d into, in the place of x again you put 0, so 0 minus 1. So 1 is equals to 1 by 4 minus minus plus 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, 1 by 2 plus d into minus 1. So minus d. So minus d आ सकते हैं तो plus d, 1 आ सकते हैं minus 1. So 1 of minus 1 is minus 1 by 2. So you get the value of d. Now for a value of c, we have to substitute a, b, d and assume x, but differ than 0, minus 1 and 1. So now we will substitute x is equal to 2. For x is equals to 2. On left hand side again, it remains 1 only. So 1 is equals to a is 1 by 4. 2 square 4, 4 plus 1 5. 2 plus 1 3. Plus d into 2 minus 1 1. 2 square 4 plus 1 5. Plus c into x. So it is 2c. D is minus half. D is minus half. And if you put here x is equals to 2, then that is 2 square. 4 minus 1 is 3. So you get 1 is equals to 15 by 4. And sorry, value of b. Value of b is minus 1 by 4. So it is minus 5 by 4. Plus 2c into 3, that is 6c. Minus 1 half into 3, that is minus 3 by 2. So 1 is equals to, LCM is 4, 6c as it is. So it is 15 minus 5 plus 6. So 15 plus 6, 21. 21 minus 5 is 16. 16 by 4 is 4. So 6c is equals to minus 3. So c is equals to minus. So you get the value of a, b, c and d. You get all the 4 values of a, b, c, d. Now substitute here. So now your question becomes, so I is equals to integration of value of a 1 by 4. So 1 upon 4 divided by x minus 1 plus value of d is minus 1 upon 4 upon x plus 1 plus c is minus 1 of x, d is also minus 1 of upon x square plus 1 dx. So that is equals to, you can write integration of 1 by 4, 1 upon x minus 1 minus 1 by 4, 1 upon x plus 1. Here minus 1 half common, so into the bracket x upon x square plus 1 plus 1 upon x square plus 1 dx multiply by 2. Next step further. Now 1 upon 4 log mod x minus 1, integration of this 1 upon x minus 1 is log mod x minus 1, 1 upon 4 as it is, minus 1 upon 4 log mod x plus 1 minus 1 half integration of x in x square plus 1 as it is. Integration by here minus 1 half integration of 1 upon x square plus 1 is tan inverse x plus c. So here it is 1 by 4. Log no subtraction means log by division. So x minus 1 upon x plus 1. यहाँ वो 2 3 मल्टीप्लाई करो, 2 3 डिवाइड करो, so it will be minus 1 by 4. डिनोमिनेटर માં જેટલા હોય એ ડિફરન્શિએશન ન્યુમરેટર માં હોય તો એનું ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન થાય log mod ડિનોમિનેટર. તો લાસ્ટ લેક્ચર માં કરાયું. So log mod x square plus 1 minus 1 half tan inverse x plus c. So that is your answer. Okay. Now in okay, now we will do question number 16. Question number 16. Integration of 1 upon x into x raised to n plus 1 x. Okay. अब वो तुमने हिंट આપીશ मींस આ સમીકરણ છે પછી તમારે જાતે કરવાનો. Let x raised to n is equals to t. Assume let x raised to n is equals to t. If you differentiate on both the sides, then it is n into x raised to n minus 1 power after power n minus dx is equals to dt. So x raised to n minus 1 make it like x raised to n upon x dx is equals to 1 upon n dt. n નું સામે લઈ લો. x raised to n minus 1 means x raised to n upon x base 10 to power to subtraction, that is n minus 1. Now you have 1 upon x dx here. 1 upon x dx છે તો લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ માં 1 upon x dx રાખીશ. x raised to n નો સામેની સાઈડ ચાલો. જ્યારે તમે x raised to n is equals to t assume કર્યો means dt આવી ગયો અહીંયા. તો અહીંયા બધા ટર્મ ક્યાં ફોર્મમાં હોવા જોઈએ? તો કે t ના ફોર્મમાં. n તો કોન્સ્ટન્ટ છે. હવે આમાં x raised to n ની પાછું t ના ફોર્મમાં કન્વર્ટ કરવું પડે. So we can write 1 upon x dx is equals to 1 upon n. X raised to n is equals to t. Okay, so now your question becomes I is equals to integration of 1 upon x dx. At this place you can substitute 1 upon n. It is constant, so we write outside of the integration t dt. X raised to n is plus 1. Now you can use partial fraction method. It is a by t plus b upon t plus 1. Then find the value of a and b. Instead of this, you can also use another method, that is add t and subtract t. t में add करो, t में subtract करो. અહીંથી હું ન્યુમરેટર સ્પ્લિટ કરું. અહીંથી ન્યુમરેટર સ્પ્લિટ કરું. So I can write 1 upon n integration of t plus 1 upon this, that is 1 upon t. And t upon this, t cancel, so that is 1 upon t plus 1. So now integration of 1 upon t is log mod t. Minus 1 upon t plus 1 integration is log mod t plus 1 plus c. Subtraction of log, so you can write log of t upon t plus 1. Now if you substitute the value of t, then it is equals to 1 upon n log t is x raised to n upon x raised to n plus 1 plus c. So that is your answer. 17 માં sin x is equals to t assume કરવાનું. 19, 20, 21 you can do easily. Question number 19 or question number 19. તો અમે તમને કીધું હિન્ટ દઈશ પણ આખો ક્વેશ્ચન થઈ ગયો. રીતે 18 માં હિન્ટ આપીશ પછી તમારે ક્વેશ્ચન કરવાનો છે. x square plus 1 19 થઈ જશે, 20 થઈ જશે, 21 થઈ જશે. 18 મિસ્ટેક શું થશે? x square plus 1, x square plus 2, x square plus 3, x square plus 4. Now, if you see in the denominator, you get two quadratic equation, x square plus 3, x square plus 4. So you will directly assume ax plus b upon first quadratic equation, cx plus d upon second quadratic equation. But we cannot assume like this. Why? Because power of numerator, maximum power of numerator is x raised to 4, as well as maximum power of denominator is also x raised to 4. So power of numerator and denominator are equal. So when power of numerator and denominator are equal, or power of numerator is greater than denominator, then you have to first divide the polynomials. So we can write x raised to 4 plus 3x square plus 2 upon x raised to 4 plus 7x square plus 12. So x raised to 4, x raised to 4. So first you have to divide your polynomials. So x raised to 4 plus 3x square plus 2 divided by x raised to 4 plus 7x square plus 12. 1 whole divided by, sorry, minus 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 cancel, so 3x square minus 7x square minus 4x square, 2 minus 12 minus 10. So the question becomes I is equals to integration of 1 minus 1 वाले कॉमन ले लो, so 4x square plus 10 whole divided by x raised to 4 plus 7x square plus 12, or x square plus 3 into x square plus 4, both are the same thing. So integration of 1 is x and y1 kilo. So now you have to integrate I1, that is 4x square plus 10 upon x square plus 3 x square plus 4. Now you can assume 4x square plus 10 upon x square plus 3 into x square plus 4 is equal to ax plus b upon x square plus 3 plus cx plus d upon x square plus 4. આ મેથડથી તો થશે જ બરાબર. એલસીએમ લેશો, અલગ અલગ x ની વેલ્યુ સબસ્ટિટ્યુટ કરશો, you get the value of abcd અને પછી આન્સર. But when all the powers of numerator and denominator are same, means બધા પાવર જો even હોય, અહીં x square અહીં x square અહીં x square સેમ છે, બધા પાવર even હોય ને ત્યારે ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન માં નહીં, આઉટ ઓફ ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન x square ની જગ્યાએ m એઝ્યુમ કરી લેવાનું. શું એઝ્યુમ કરી લેવાનું? x square ની જગ્યાએ m. ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન માં નથી કહેતો 2x dx કરીને dm નથી લખવાનું. આ ખાલી આ પોલિનોમિયલ ના સિમ્પ્લિફિકેશન માટે કહું છું. ઓકે, so you can write 4m plus 10 whole divided by m plus 3 into m plus 4. હવે આપણી મેથડ લે 4m plus 10 upon m plus 3 into m plus 4 is equals to a upon m plus 3 plus b upon m plus 4. LCM लेने cancel कर सो 4m plus 10 is equals to a into m plus 4 plus b into m plus 3. Now if you substitute m is equals to minus 4, so you get the value of a, and if you substitute m is equals to minus 3, you will get the value of b. So a અને b ની જે પણ વેલ્યુ મળે ને ઈ વેલ્યુ આમાં સબસ્ટિટ્યુટ કરવાની અને પછી m અને 2m ની જગ્યાએ x સ્ક્વેર મૂકવાનો. એટલે ક્વેશ્ચન આ રીતે થઈ જશે I is equals to integration of a જે પણ વેલ્યુ મળે ઈ upon x square plus 3 plus b upon જે પણ વેલ્યુ મળે ઈ upon x square plus 4. Now we can integrate this. હવે આગળ ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન થઈ જશે. So today's lecture આપણે ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 16 ને 18 લે કર્યા ને પહેલા ક્વેશ્ચન કર્યો હતો. So now we over with all three types of partial fraction method. Partial fraction method ની ત્રણેય મેથડ થઈ ગઈ છે. આખી એક્સરસાઇઝ સોલ્વ કરજો અને કોઈ ડાઉટ હોય તો મને મોકલજો. નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચર we start with another method, means next exercise. Okay, thank you.